Hello students. In the last video lecture we have discussed in the digestive system about esophagus and the stomach, and then now we'll be opening into the duodenum. Let's go ahead and understand once again few concepts regarding esophagus and the stomach. So this is esophagus. You already know that we have made the diagram also, which is piercing from diaphragm and entering from thoracic cavity into the abdominal cavity. Then it opens into the stomach. Here we have discussed about the function of the gastric juice. Now remember, the partially digested food which is coming from the oral cavity into the esophagus is called as bolus. Then this bolus enters into the stomach, and here it also get digested but not fully digested. Then partially digested food in the stomach is called as chyme. Remember that. Many products of this digestion in the stomach like glucose, alcohol, etc. are absorbed in the stomach. Remember that. Okay, here we end with the stomach. But we in the diagram we have made what? Triangular shape, a largest gland that is called as liver, if you remember that. This is the liver's product, liver gland, the largest gland. And just this is the duodenum which is going on. In between there is a pancreas. We already have made a leafy structure. There is a gallbladder. But we have to understand the different ducts which are arising from the liver and pancreas and making common duct. That is very important part. So we'll make a diagram to understand what kind of duct which is being formed. Let us have a diagram of, if this is liver, let me remove this first, please. Okay, I'm removing this, we'll make it again. This is liver and this is pancreas. Okay, so if this is a pancreas and this is liver, many hepatic duct arises from liver inside. So it gives its secretion to the gallbladder, which is lying just base to base of the liver. From the gallbladder there is a duct which arises called as bile duct. So this is a hepatic duct. Hepatic word has come from hepatic cells. Liver is actually made up of hepatic cells. So this is hepatic duct, which opens into the gallbladder lying just at the base of the liver. So this is gallbladder. From the gallbladder another duct arises called as bile duct. Correct? From here, pancreas, you see in the pancreas a pancreatic duct also arises. So many ducts are there. Hepatic duct from liver, then it opens into the gallbladder. From the gallbladder another duct arises which is called as bile duct. Duct arises from the pancreas called as pancreatic duct. These two ducts actually join together to form a common duct. Which opens into the duodenum. This duct is called hepatopancreatic duct, which we can't see if we make a whole diagram of the digestive system, but actually it is containing a common duct which is opening inside the duodenum. The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine. So first we have to remember all the ducts. Secondly, the secretion of liver. Liver secrete bile juice. Bile juice is thoroughly alkaline in nature. Bile juice is alkaline in nature. Remember that. Okay. It is because of the sodium and potassium bicarbonates. It is alkaline in nature. Liver secretes what? Usually called bile juice. So bile juice contains two basic parts. One is bile pigment and other one is bile salt. Correct? Bile pigment and bile salt. What are these pigments? One is biliverdin and other one is bilirubin. Okay, fecal material usually have a yellowish color because of this pigment. And salts are, what are the two salts which it secretes is sodium glycocolate, sodium glycocolate and sodium torcocolate. These are two salts. These are two basic components of bile juice. One is bile pigment and bile salt. So what are the big bile pigments? These are biliverdin and bilirubin, and the salt is sodium glycocolate and sodium torcocolate. The function of the bile juice is to change or emulsify fats into globules. Simplest kind of globular structures of the fats, which are going to be easy digested in the jejuna. So this all is bile salt, bile pigment from the gallbladder is given to the duodenum. These are the basic components, and always remember bile juice is alkaline in nature. Let us discuss about the pancreas also. Now, pancreas have three enzymes. First enzyme which is secreted, enzymes of pancreas. One is salivary amylase, pancreatic amylase. Number two, lipid amylase. इसे lipase भी कहा जा सकता है. Lipid amylase, also called as lipase. Okay, and third one is trypsin. Pancreatic amylase breaks the carbohydrates. Lipid or lipase breaks lipids, emulsify lipids or digest lipids. Trypsin, it digests or emulsify proteins. Remember, this is a 2-mark question, and the duct system. I hope you must have understood it. If any problem is there, you can go into my channel in this lecture. You can comment, and if any problem is there, you can say. We will explain your problems also. Okay? Thank you very much.